Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will create handle with knob for fixture assembly. For that, I select front plane, sketch, normal. I select circle command and draw a circle here. Right click, select option, smart dimension, diameter of the circle 19 mm. Right click, select option. Now I select line command, draw a line. Right click, select option, dimension for this line 65 mm. Right click, select option. Now select offset entities, select this line, reverse direction 3.5 mm. Select OK. Now select trim entities, trim this portion, this line, and this line. Now select line command and connect this segment. Right click, select option, select offset entities, offset distance 10 mm, select OK. Select trim entities, trim this line. Right click, select option. Now select line command, draw a line from this line to this line. Right click, select option, select this line, make it horizontal, smart dimension, dimensions for this line 3 mm. Right click, select option. Now select trim entities, trim this portion and this portion. Right click, select option. Come back from the sketch, go to feature, go to revolve boss base feature, select this line for axis of revolution, select OK. Now go to insert, here select annotation, select cosmic thread and then select this edge, select OK. Now go to options, document properties, detailing, select here shaded cosmic thread, display filter, select OK. Now this part is complete, give it some color. I select edit appearance and I select this color, select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.